we're gonna see who can find the most and the best slimes hidden at Universal Studios. Naiah, we are here on a special field trip because today is Slime Universal Studios Day. Doesn't that sound fun?
I wish Ellie could have made it, but she doesn't feel good.
Yeah, Allie's having a sick day, but that means you get to be in competition with me. Today, we're gonna see who can find the most and the best slimes hidden at Universal Studios. Do you think it will be you or me?
Me.
No, I think it'll be me.
Well, we're gonna see. I see slime.
Whoa! You found the first slime, and it's so pretty. Let me see if I can find one. Let me see. I hope there's not one in a trash can. No. Let's see. Oh! I found one! Look at this cute little mermaid one. Okay, we're gonna open them both up. You guys let us know who got the better slime in this round. Uh-oh, sorry. Whoa. Whoa, let's put your sprinkles in it. You have an amazing slime. Look at this slime, everyone. Oh, okay. I'm gonna open my slime and we're gonna see whose slime is better. Whoa! It looks like I get this cute little mermaid and I have this ocean slime. Let me take it out. Oh, it's so cute! Oh, I love this slime. Look at this pretty blue. All right, let me put my mermaid in it. It looks like Ariel slime. Let's see whose slime stretches the best. Oh no, I lost the stretching test. Okay, let's see who can blow a bubble with theirs. You guys decide who did better in this round. Is it Naiah's purple starry galaxy slime or my blue ocean mermaid slime?
Miss CrayCray, can we please do whack a whack?
Whack a rat? That's gross. And a winner! All right. There you go. Thank you. Wow! You won this? This is crazy. I gotta beat her at something today. Looks like I found the next slime. Yes!
Ooh, I see another one.
It looks like I got magic putty. Let me open it up. Oh. This magic putty is so pretty. You're definitely not gonna beat me on this round. Wow! Look how pretty this is. All right, let's see what slime you got. Whoa! You have more! Whoa, yours is like goopy slime and mine's like putty. Let's see who wins the stretch test. Oh no! Mine broke again! Ugh. You guys vote who has the better slime. My purple magic putty or Naiah's sprinkle pink slime. Naiah, you beat me again, and now she got a pillow. Oh, you keep winning at everything. Okay, Naiah, this is Diagon Alley. This is Harry Potter World. Let's see who can find the best slime in here. And I definitely think I'm gonna win. Okay?
Okay.
Race you there. Huh? Did you find one? Whoa! Whoa, yours is so pretty. There's pink glitter and it's pink. I gotta find one. There's one! I got one, I got one, I got one! Let's see what it is, and it's a... What? A poop slime stick ball? Okay, I guess we're gonna have to open it and see who has the better one. You guys let us know in the comments. All right, open yours. Whoa! OMG! This is so pretty! Whoa!
Right, it's
Whoa! Like almost like Harry Potter himself made it. It's so sparkly and pretty. Okay, Naiah, here's yours. Time to open mine. Okay, I think mine's really pretty too. Don't you think mine's pretty? Okay. This poop was on my face. He's mushy. I think this looks much better than Naiah's slime. Way cuter, right? Right? Leave a comment if you think this one is the best. Okay, I'm gonna try to stick it to the wall. Let's see. 1, 2. Well, I think this is a good lesson on how sometimes you gotta make the best with what you get, even if what you get's a little stinky. Did you have a good day today?
Yes.
I think I definitely, on this field trip, picked the best slimes.
I picked the best slimes, and there's one more over there for me.
you found a great slime. I found one. Whoa. I finally got one. Like this. This is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna mix my beads in. Ew, it kind of looks like egg sacs. Ew. Let me mix it up. Let me see if I can make this look a little better. Oh yeah, let the party begin. Look at those party beads.
Look at my slime, it's like this egg yolk.
Okay, it's super late and it's dark, so I don't think we can do too many tests. But let's see, which slime would you rather have? My blue party bee or her beautiful, sparkly,
Clear water.
clear water?
Mermaid
Or
water.
ocean glass. Ocean glass. You guys, make sure you leave your comments below and subscribe to Naiah vs. Ellie and the Naiah and Ellie Toy Show. Bye, guys. Hope you like this field trip.